I'm Alreena of Arteena Lefty, and I'm an illustrator, graphic artist, and a blogger here in Cebu. And showing you the illustrations I made for the Kawangis Comics Anyare card game. And I'm assigned to the MacArthur part, Magellan Discovers the Philippines, and the Battle of Mactan. I'm really proud of these illustrations because as a Cebuana girl, it's such an honor to represent Cebu and Vismin for this project. Somehow my job also connects to showcasing Cebu and Vismin to the Philippines, and to be able to do the same for the Kawangis, it's such a historic moment for me. For these illustrations, I made these in watercolor and then transferred it to digital because I also use digital for my medium. I'm really proud of these because when I was a kid, I would just do my own card, also not the same as Yu-Gi-Oh's or Pokemon or sa Bisaya pa upper during elementary days, and I would make my own to duel with my other friends, pero they won't let me enter kay my illustrations are, my cards are worthless, and now I get to illustrate and get my illustrations printed on a card game that is based on Philippine history. And talking about Anyare, I think it's such an important piece of product for everyone, especially if you want to learn history. Karon very lisod jud ang atong attention span, and then just looking into computer, everything's very digital right now, and having something you can hold on to in a piece, it's such a hard na time, and pero having this card game, I mean, it's tangible and for sure it's fun, and it'll go down in history as something that you can learn Filipino history in such a fun way. So guys, if you're in it for your online class or just with your friends, it's such a great piece to grab. And just for the collections, I mean, the illustration itself is already a collectible, so I hope everyone grabs the Anyare card game of the Kawangis comics, and I'm hoping to meet everyone soon.